here we are back at it again. We're live in DeSoto, about 7 minutes from where I live, and we're building this. We took down this 8-foot fence, and we're putting up a new 8-foot fence with a stone border, as you can see here. Let me show you. So there was an 8-foot fence here. You can see we got new poles up, and this actually going to be the wall plus the fence there. So it comes all the way that way. You can see got the stones here. They're working, getting this natural stone looking. Wanted a more natural looking wall instead of like cement. Makes it look a lot more beautiful. What's up, Anthony? Arch Magnet, class of 1993. Woot woot. So we're building this here. It's looking good. I can't wait till it's finished. It's gonna look beautiful. Guys are working hard. So the wall's gonna go all the way. The wall's gonna go all the way from that spot over there, all the way this way. Well, this is the back. So my company, if you don't know, it's On Point Contractors. Our website's onpointdfw.com. If you want a stone wall built with a fence, we can do that too. See here. It's gonna be beautiful. It's a nice solid build here. Let's see. Just really, I mean, that's solid. You can get there. Beautiful work. Goes all the way this way. Way down. It's a beautiful build. Beautiful thing. All the way down this way. And all the way to the front there. Tapers off that way. Really beautiful. They got the string there. They know what they're doing. It's just beautiful. Look at that. OnPointDFW.com. OnPointDFW.com. And you'll see, I'll do a live when we're done. Walk through when we're done. It's looking great. You can see there's a footer down here that we put. It's about 2 feet deep, the footer. This is a great footer. And this is not considered a retaining wall. It's not retaining any pressure. There's no pressure on it. So if it was a retaining wall, it'd be more expensive, and it'd be different. It'd be a different setup, be a different design. But it's not designed to, which it could hold dirt, but when you make a retaining wall, you have to actually make, this footer will be a little different, but the footer here is about 2 to 3 feet deep, so that's a great footer for this stone to stand on. And it's just so solid. It's really solid here, really solid. It's going to be a beautiful fence. I'll give you a wider shot here. There. And that's all I have for today, or for right now. I may do another live at another job site, but we're out doing another saw job right now. That saw job from yesterday, we're doing that right now as we speak. So we got 2 jobs going in one day. sometimes we'll have 3 or 4 jobs going. Just depends. So, yeah, so onpointdfw.com. See you soon.